Indvuna ilitiko letemabhizinisi Manqoba Khumalo ithi sigayo selangeni sitawuvula sigayo saflower kumathapha lekubheka ukuthi kwakheke amathuba emisebenzi lafika-ke emakhulwini lamabili. Indvuna ithi lo msebenzi lo utawubita imali efika ku-160 million emalangeni.
Sigayo selangeni sitfolakala Nhlambeni kanti kungimanje sicashe emaswati lange-40 umcondzisi walesigayo lesigaya impuphu yaka Top Score nakasanisani kwamanje Martinez Van Dyke uthi kumnanzi kwenta ibhizinisi kuleli ngeke afuna ukukhulisa ibhizinisi yakhe.
We are planning and we've got big plans expanding our whole operation into a new venture. Although now we are on nation land, we will be moving to industrial land in Matsapa, expanding our whole operation. We are looking forward, expanding our things so that we can build our country and we can create food security for not only for us, but also for our neighbors, wherever we can maybe one day export some of our products.
Kwindvuna temabhizinisi Manqoba Khumalo ithi kumcoka ukuthi live likhona ekhiqiza kudla lokwenele.
So I want to say in the farming community that you interface with, let us really have a robust strategy that will ensure that we really become self-sufficient in food. Yesterday I spent the whole day with members of parliament going through what we call the Citizens Economic Empowerment Bill, which is aimed at saying what opportunities and what sectors and what products should we be intentionally promoting eMaswati in and ensuring that we carve out a niche for eMaswati to be able to produce, knowing that they do have a market for it. And I think food security will be very high up on the agenda. So let's work on a very sustainable strategy so that you can not only grow, but you can also start exporting what you produce.
Sigayo sempuphu lekuthiwa Elangeni saqala kusebenta kuleli ngeminyaka wa-2016 kanti sesibili kuleli ngekhiqiza impuphu lesezingeni lihle lelithandwa emakethe eTinzabeni kubika Fortune Dlangamandla ngisenhlambeni.